Hello, welcome everyone to the part 2 of Python Crash Course. These are building blocks of the software. Software is an act of digital invention. You know that, right? So, coding is a process of inventing new solutions through computers, just as a builder needs some glass and steel to construct a house. So, now before we move on to the part 2 episode, I need to show how to download the required apps, which are Python and Visual Studio Code. So how to download Python? So download from python.org, run and add to the path, verify the installer. So I'll be showing everything step by step how to download them. Then we'll be going to the part. So first we are going to the python.org. This is the official website. I'm going to download the latest 3.14.4, 7.14.4. So let's first download the Python. So first, as told, now we'll be adding the exe, python.exe path, and we'll be clicking on install. So it installs everything very fastly, just in a 2 to 3 minutes. Then we'll be showing you how to verify the command prompt, and then we'll go into our Visual Studio Code. With this only we'll be going to do code. So we'll be trying to download Python. See, we have almost reached the ending of that. Almost. Yes, we have done. Now we will be learning the commands in the command prompt. See, our command prompt is here. So what you need to run is python version. You have got python -h and python -u. You are getting the version here, python 3.1414. Actually, I can even write another way so that you no need to do this much big process. This is python -version. You got the version name, means the Python is installed successfully. If you don't get, please try again. And this is on in the next one. If you got and enter, you need to add the Python to the path. Now let's know how to install the Visual Studio Code. Again, I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code website. Right, now let's download. I am using Windows, so I am downloading it. Right, see, now we are getting it in just some seconds. Until that, we will be knowing what are the things you need to know. So the things which you need to know is the exploring panel, where you will be displaying your Python and your projects. And this is your code, this is the code editor where you will be writing the code. And this is the integrated terminal where you will be getting the output. And this is your activity bar, and this is your status bar, means which version you are having. So you saw that we have 3.14.4. So you will be getting the 3.14. We are in version 1.115.0. Our Visual Studio Code is the new release we are downloading. Now it is taking a little time. Once it downloads, it will open itself if you click on this. It is taking longer than usual. So after we install, we should install this also, the Python extension. After this, you will be running. So until we install the Visual Studio Code, we run through the data types and the raw materials of the code. So Computers require the human concepts like words, numbers, and logic to be translated into distinct processable categories. These categories are known as the data types. Now we have the four categories in our Python data types, which are numbers, text, true or false, and collections. Now we'll be focusing on only three of them, which are numbers, text, and true or false. Collections will be later discussed in our further parts and episodes. So what comes under the number category? Number category comes into two forms: integer and float. Integer is represented by int, which means that the whole numbers without fractions, or is the negative integers which are using for counting distinct whole items. Means like normal numbers, you can take, except fractions and decimal points. But in float, you have the numbers with decimal points. So the major difference you can see is in float you have the decimal numbers, whereas in integer you have normal whole numbers and negative of natural numbers. Now what about the text? You'll be using a string str. So it is a sequence of text characters which are wrapped in quotation marks. Like example quotation hello comma world quotation marks. So you can write like this. What are the booleans? These are the ones who tell that what is the true or the false of the following statements. So if it is true, it executes. If it is false, it executes the false. So now this is the core of data types. Like you can take this is your summary. So you can read it for one. You can pause the video for reading this. Now you have got all the everything about data types. I think so, right? So now you'll be displaying your invention with the print command. So now you'll be going with your workbench with the Visual Studio Code. So now, as we know, we need to download. We are downloaded. So I'm checking still. So now, let's now check if our Visual Studio Code is downloaded. Still it is happening here. Still it is happening here. Still it is happening. It is taking more time. See, 121 MB. If you want, you can again. This is Microsoft provided. If you want, you can take from here. Still, you'll be getting the same agent. I think this is going more fast. Let's check which goes first. That one will be testing. This is done. Okay, so now let's open and I will show you how to install. So first, if you get like this, then you need to accept the agreement. Just go next. Yes. Next. Next. Install. That's it. Now your Visual Studio Code will be installing everything. Now, then we'll be writing our first program. Right? And after this session, you'll be even having an interactive quiz which should be competing. Right? It's extracting so many files. So how you imagine how they make these apps using every coding. So we can also make like these apps after we learn everything. So we have clicked on finish. Now see, this is our new startup window we have got. So this is our program 1 where we'll be downloading these release notes, everything you remove. Now let's see. First we will be printing hello world. world. Now here you need to even download the Python extension to get this play button. Most of them will not get the play button. See, this extension I have downloaded, so again I no need to uninstall it. So if you did not do it, please download it. Now if I click print hello world and if I run it, I get the output as hello world. See, same text which is printing. Now if I tell print 90, 90, that's it. If you print, still you get 90, right? So still you will be getting 90. What is there that no? And now we'll be printing. What about decimal point? Does it give any error? You're thinking. Yes, some error is there. So let's start. That's it. No error, just prints. Now, if you keep up statement that 9 is greater than 6, so what will be your thinking the output? It gives true. But if it is I give 9 greater than 6, it is false. No. So it will be giving false. Now, this is your program 1. Basic start. This is your basic start. What I am writing in the hashtag, you are wondering, right? These are known as comments, guys. So these comments will be not checked by the Python, so you can write some additional information. Now, how to check data type of data? So you know data type is the type of the data which we are using. We have learned 4 of them, right? Which are integer, float, string, and boolean. So now to check, you will be using print, same print, but type of the data. Now you will be first. Let's keep the double quotes and keep hello. Run. You got the string, right? You have got the string. You got the string. I have some mistakes. Right. Now, if I write numbers also in the string, numbers also in the quotes, what you are thinking the expected answer? This is such a big number. It is still an string only, because anything if you write on this double quotes, or else you can use a single quotes as well. See, now if you use, still it is a string class. Now if you want to print the type of this data without keeping the double quotes, your expected answer is 80. And again you are printing the type of this. Now your expected answer will be the float. Now again you will be writing the type of this. So still you need to expect the boolean thing. So like this you will be able to write the programs, right? Like program you can write like this. Sorry, spelling mistake. You can write like this, print hi, my name is Pi. It looks little interactive. Print again. What about you? So see, it prints the text same. And I need to show you another one. These are known as special characters. So which are /n. /n, you can understand it is a new line character. So means you can print in one sentence only, like hi. You should keep a comma, and you should keep keeping /n, comma. Again, you need to keeping my name is Sai. That's it. Now if you print, see, it is not keep the double quotes. If you keep the double quotes, as I told, it gives in the same format. If you want, you can test like this. You cannot get. You can even test like this. If yeah, still you not get. So these characters are little, they are not used in much more. So that's why you need to know about the characters. Just listen this. Now you can save it and you can run it anytime you want. So I think I have understood about the Visual Studio Code. Now you have understood what about the data types, about the how to use a print command. Now next, we will attempt this interactive quiz of this session, so that we can test your mind, how much you have learned with you, and how much you have spent the time with us, your hard work. And you can check out this map. It contains everything in a crash. It is a Python crash course with this tool and see all the categories, everything